Hello guys, welcome to Dream Tech, where big dreams are valid. So today I'm going to teach you on how to spelling correct any word in English using Python. So the module I'm going to use today is TextBlob. So first thing first, open your Anaconda prompt so that we can install the module. After opening the Anaconda, type in pip install pip pip install TextBlob. Give it some seconds to install the TextBlob. So as it continues to install, we can go ahead and start writing our code. So create a new file, spelling.py, or maybe in the other name you might call it. So as obvious with Python, first line is always importing the module. So from TextBlob, import TextBlob. Yeah, like that. So the next thing we are going to do is to get any text through the input on the command line. We are going to request for a correct wrong. So we are going to ask the user or the one running the program to enter the text wrongly so that we can give out the correct spelling of the word. So let's get the string from user. So input, enter words wrongly. So the next thing we are going to do is to use the TextBlob on the string so that it gives out the correct word. So output, I'm going to process text using TextBlob because TextBlob itself is used for text processing and so many other things. You can visit the module tutorials of the documentation of the docs so that you can get more about the TextBlob because it's used in natural language processing. So passing the string to the TextBlob for processing, then we are going to print the correct words. So we are going to use the function on the output to get the correct spelling of words. Yeah, like that. So print Canada correct words. Correct words. Yeah, like that. So let's now run the program. Yeah, it's already installed, successfully installed TextBlob. So now we can run our program. Python spelling dot py. So now enter the words. Normally we can maybe enter like correct word is not working. Let's see whether it can give us the correct word. Correct word is not working. Amazing. That's how you can spell it correct any word using Python module TextBlob. If you have any question, comment section is yours. You can just ask me. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.